Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys the July releases for Elegant Embellishments, and that is Dee's store over on Zibbit. Hi Dee, and I will be designing for her for the next few months, so I wanted to share the products with you that she has sent me and is available in her shop. Also, her sale right now is only 24 hours. So it will be open from 11 a.m. on Saturday, July the 14th, which is today. And this is Pacific Standard Time, and will close at 11 a.m. tomorrow on Sunday at 11 a.m. So you have a little window of time to go shop. I would run over there and stay tuned till the end, and I will share with you a coupon code that you can use to save 20%. So let's get started. She has a bunch of new items. She does have a couple of repeats, and she has some amazing prices. So first up is this rhinestone and pearl jewelry slider. It is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys can see the shine. And here is the back of it. So this is sold as one piece, and it is 7/8 of an inch in diameter, so it's really close to an inch. And this is set with real crystal rhinestones and a metal setting. So this is metal. And then this pearl center is acrylic. You can cut the slider portions off if you want to use this as a flower center. And that would be a great thing to use this for. It gives a lot of shine. It is absolutely beautiful. And then to go along in the same theme, she also has these pearl and rhinestone flatbacks, and this actually is sold in a set of 4. I want you guys to just see how beautiful these are. And these would be fantastic as flower centers or any type of adornment on any of your projects. I like to use these either as flower centers or put them on collaged projects, such as like if I'm altering a box, I like to tuck these items in. You can also use these on cards. And who doesn't love a little bit of bling, right? So like I said, this comes in a 4-piece set. The pearls, rhinestone, and the setting are all acrylic, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Next up is this Star Tassel Charm Kit. Now this does come in 4 pieces, and I will go ahead and insert the picture right here so you can see exactly what the kit comes with. So this kit does come with some shooting star charms, but unfortunately I do not have that, so that's why I showed you guys the picture. But this tassel is so adorable. And these are zinc-based alloy and gold-plated. So this is the star tassel charm with the 4 dangling stars at the bottom. Super cute. So next up is the Mermaid Me Crazy Charm Kit. It comes with 4 pieces, as you see right here. These are resin charms, and they are mermaid tails, which is super popular right now, and I love these. So each one of these are a pretty good size. So you will get this pink and blue charm, and as you can see, there is some glitter in it. Super sparkly and pretty. You will also get this blue and silver glitter charm, and I love the chunky glitter in there. You will get a clear blue glitter charm and the clear pink glitter charm. So super cute. Great to put on the ends of your like planner charms, or you can do a purse charm. So this 6-piece charm kit is called the Celestial Charm Kit, and these are made of zinc-based alloy, and they are silver plated. They are so super adorable. So included in this kit, you will get this silver and gold plated rhinestone heart charm. See how adorable that is? You will get a double heart with the wings charm. And as you can see, this is a pretty good size. You can see that in the palm of my hand. You will also get the star with the wings. And you see that little heart in there incorporated in the wings. How super cute. You will get a rainbow and cloud charm, as well as 2 of these star keys. This is absolutely adorable. So this is the Celestial Charm Kit. Now this one is very similar to the last one I just showed you, but as you can see, it is in gold. This is a 9-piece kit that is zinc based and gold plated. This is called the Sweet Star Charm Kit, and you will get this gold star with the wings. I think that's the front of it. I mean, either way, you can't really tell which is the front or the back. You will get 4 of these star charms. These are the mini star charms. And the great thing about this is that you have a loop on either end, so you can actually use these to create some bracelets. I think that'd be super cute. Or you can put a jump ring up at the top and the bottom, so you can hang this onto, let's say, a dangle, and then add another charm or some beads at the bottom of this. You also get 1 of the star key charms. Super, super cute. And 2 of this candy sweet treat charm. So I guess it goes this way. How adorable. So this is the Sweet Star Charm Kit with 9 pieces. Okay, the next 2 kits are so super adorable. I actually have never seen items like this before. And this is the All Dress Up Charm Kit, and this is number 1. So she does have 1 and 2. So you get this beautiful dress charm. Now these are zinc based and gold toned, and they do have a really good weight to them. This kind of reminds me of like Belle's dress from Beauty and the Beast. Isn't that beautiful? And look at this shoe. I was dying when I got this in my package. So this is just a shoe charm, but as you can see, there's a mermaid tail at the end. How clever is that? And then lastly, you will get this lady head charm. She kind of reminds me of Rapunzel. Isn't that beautiful? So this is set number 1 of the All Dress Up Charm Kit. For the All Dress Up Charm Kit number 2, this is what is included. It's also a 3-piece. So you get the dress charm in this one, the lady head charm, as well as this super cute bow charm. And who doesn't love bows? And just like the last set, this is zinc based and gold toned. So next up is this 7-piece charm kit, and this is called the Hearts and Rainbow Charm Kit, and they are in the gold tone, as you can see. You will get 2 of these gold heart silhouettes. Super, super cute, and you can use those on a variety of projects. Also included are 2 of these gold heart with crown and wings charms. And I just love the size of these. These can be like the main focal point in any of your beading projects. You will also get this super adorable rhinestone heart with pink enamel bow. Just look at that bling. You gotta love it. And lastly, you will get this double heart with wings. So this 7-piece set, again, is the Hearts and Rainbow Charm Kit. So I have 2 more kits that I wanted to share with you guys. This next one is a 13-piece kit called Shaking My Heart Charm Kit. You will get this pink acrylic heart. I love the shape of this. It's totally different than a lot of things that I've seen. And then she has had these in her store before, but I love these. The ones I have, I actually hoard, which I need to start using them. So you will get 4 of these pink glass shaker charms, and these have pink iridescent stars in them, and they're teeny tiny. Do you guys see that? These are so much fun. You will also get 4 in white, and these have like little teeny tiny diamond shapes inside of these. And then lastly, you will get 4 of the blue. And you guys know that's my favorite because that's my favorite color. And these also are shaped like the diamonds. So that is the Shaking My Heart Charm Kit. And lastly, this is the Bead and Rondelle Kit. This comes with 30 pieces. So you will get 10 of these 8mm gold-plated and rhinestone rondelles. If you guys can see that. So you will get 10 of those and 10 of these 8mm faceted blue crystal beads. And I love them because they're faceted, so they catch the light and they are just so sparkly. And you will also get 10 of these 8mm faceted pink crystal beads. And just like the blue ones, they give a great shine because of the way that they're made and they're faceted. This kit would actually be great to create some stick pins. I think that'd be so super adorable. So like I said, you get 30 pieces of this. So that is everything that is. So those are the kits that are available in Dee's shop right now. I will have the link to her YouTube channel as well as her Zibbit store. So please run on over there. Like I said, the sale is from now until 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time tomorrow on Sunday. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I do have a coupon code for you. So to save 20% off your entire purchase, just enter the code MIMI20, so that's MIMI20. I will have that information in the description box below as well as on the screen, and you can save 20% off your entire purchase. And make sure to also check out her other lots that she has available for sale on her website, because she has some junk jewelry lots that I think you're really going to like. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys saw some really amazing stuff that you can go over and pick up for yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.